Okay, today we are going to be making a set of 3 houses. So we're going to start by making our horizon line. You can make it straight or a little bumpy, like the ground. So this is our ground, this is our sky. Our horizon line separates the ground from the sky. On this line, we're going to make our 3 houses. You can make them whatever shapes you want. These are just the shapes that I'm going to make. Each house can be different. Maybe I'll give this one a little garage. Maybe this one's gonna be tall and skinny because we wanna make sure we have room for 3. And it's okay if they go off the page a little bit as long as you have 3 houses. Now I'm gonna add all my details. And I'm moving along pretty quickly so you can get the whole picture. Adding my doors and windows. When you're making your details, make sure that you're making them big enough that you'll be able to trace them with a black crayon later, or if you want to go right ahead and use your black crayon right away, you can. Putting little shutters on this one. Now is for any other details you want to add to your houses. I'm gonna make a little driveway, and when I do this, I'm gonna start where my garage is. I'm gonna get a little bit of a diagonal line so it looks like it's getting bigger as it comes to us. And maybe we'll have a little sidewalk too. Same thing over here. And I'm doing that diagonal again because when things get farther away from you in the picture, they tend to get smaller, just like they would in real life. Now you could go ahead, you could add some smoke to your chimney if you want to. Maybe I want a little sun over there. Maybe here I want a part of a tree. Add some like bumpy leaves. I don't know, whatever you feel comfortable with. Maybe some flowers. If you want to do those with your crayon right away, you can, because it tends to get a little bit tiny. Now the reason we are doing 3 houses today is because we are going to be making our analogous neighbors. So remember, we have primary colors and secondary colors. We have our complementary colors, or our best friend colors. And then we have analogous colors, which are neighbors. So a little bit of a review. Here are my primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. My secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. My complementary pairs. And then in this case, we'll have our analogous neighbors, which is in the order of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Now, if the rainbow was in a circle, purple would also be a neighbor to red. So you have 3 houses and you get to pick your 3 neighbors that you want to make your house that color. The rest can be colored however you want, but your house color, like the paint of your house, is going to be one of your analogous or neighbor colors. So I'm gonna pick green, blue, and purple as my pairs. You could have done red, orange, and yellow. You could do orange, yellow, green, blue, you know, all the way around. But we're gonna do 3 in a row. So then I'm gonna take my colors, get rid of the rest for now, and I'm going to color the paint of my house with my analogous or neighbor colors. And we're just gonna color the whole house with that color. Once you're done, you can go ahead and color your sky, your roof, your bricks, your trees, all those extra things. You can color them however you want to, but we're making our paint of our house with our analogous colors.